Hello, I'm here with another question. What do you think you will do tonight? Pause the video and answer it. Keep your sentence for the end of this video and then check it at the end of the video and see if it's correct or not. Alright, now tell me, which one is a possible answer to my question? Alright, now tell me, which one is the correct answer to the question, what do you think you will do tonight? Option A, I will go to the gym. Option B, I go to a cafe. And option C, I going to play basketball. Pause the video and answer it. Alright, the correct answer was I will go to the gym. So let's take a look at it. I is the subject. Then we need will plus the base verb. The base form of the verb is important here. So we don't add anything to our verb. It's just the base form of the verb. For example, I will help you, she will tell you, and they will help each other. We just use will and the base verb, the base form of the verb. So when can I use it? For immediate decisions like, I see my mom needs help and I tell her, I will help you. It wasn't planned. I just made the decision at the moment. Predictions based on your opinions about future, like, it will be sunny tomorrow. It's based on my guesses. It's based on my opinions. Promises and offers. I will text you tonight. It's a promise. I will carry that for you. It's an offer. Now let's practice. Tell me, what do you think you will do tomorrow? Tomorrow, I will record a video. What about you? Write as many sentences as you can. Now tell me in the comments down below, what will you do tomorrow? I'll check it and tell you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit share, like, and don't forget to send me your energetic comments. I need them. Take care and have fun.